Okay, to finish out, wait, how many videos did we do?
3 so far.
3, so the quadfecta.
I guess we're probably doing more and you know it.
Yeah. And we're not even drinking.
Could be.
I know, what? Oh, we do have mixers. Not even worth it now. Either way, so now we're gonna do One Guy, One Screwdriver. As soon as I googled it, it's on a site called Gore-Grish. So anything in the website that says gore has got to be fun.
I'm excited.
I really need a Disney movie after this. Oh, this doesn't look promising at all.
That's a bad picture to start with.
Oh, it just gets bigger. Here we go. Oh.
I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
That is the same guy!
Oh no, why? Oh, at least he's pulling it out.
Oh, Nelly.
On him. It's still bleeding.
Oh, dude.
It's making it squirt.
Oh, no. Yeah. No, what are you doing? Don't touch that. Yeah, so One Guy, One Screwdriver.
Don't watch it. Ever. It goes back to that picture.
Yeah, I know. Cigarette.
Uh-huh.